So guys, I'm going to show you some things that you should have on your periodic table. These were things that we added before spring break. So let me focus on this right here, the little key guide here. So on this, where it says atomic number, you should have number of protons. Okay, it's also number of electrons, but that's just for the atom. Okay, remember atoms are electrically neutral and they have the same number of electrons as protons. Ions are going to be different. Where it says atomic mass, you should say round to nearest whole number. And that will be your mass number, which is protons plus neutrons. So remember, we can subtract the atomic number from the mass number to find out how many neutrons we have. Okay, so another thing we should have on here is the ionic charges for each of the main groups. The main groups are 1, 2, skip all of these, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, so above group 1, we should write right here where hydrogen is. We should have +1. Above group 2, it should say +2. These are the charges that the ions for these elements will make. Any element in group 1 is going to form an ion with a +1 charge. All the elements in group 2 are going to form ions of a +2 charge. Now all these guys in groups 3 through 12, these are transition metals, and we're going to talk about them later because they can make many different charges. But over here in group 13 or 3A, these are going to form +3 ions. And if you're in group 14, you can be a plus or a -4. Now when we're in group 15, now we're going to start adding electrons and becoming negative ions. So group 15 is going to be -3. And group 16 will be -2. And group 17 will be a -1. Group 18, if you want, you can put a 0 there because they don't form ions. They're noble gases. Okay? So make sure you have these things added to your periodic table. Bless you. Thank you. And click done when you've done. Make sure you have these on your periodic table. If they're already done, just go ahead and click done. This assignment is done. Thank you.